Electrification investment. Rebelle Rally. 10 best. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. This week, the company announced it would invest a total of $229 million in 3 of its Kokomo, Indiana plants to help reach its goal of achieving 40% low-emission vehicle sales in the U.S. by 2030. The investment will enable our Kokomo facilities to produce the next-generation 8-speed transmission that can be paired with internal combustion, mild hybrid, or plug-in hybrid propulsion systems for vehicles across our Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, and Dodge brands. This multi-tool transmission will deliver improved fuel economy, provide pure electric range, and help meet future emission regulations. This announcement, which will retain 662 jobs, comes 3 months after the company laid out its long-term electrification strategy, where it committed to investing $35 billion through 2025 in electrification and software. The company reported its third quarter 2021 U.S. sales. Total sales for the quarter were 410,917 vehicles, compared with 507,351 for the same period in 2020. Retail sales were 348,084 vehicles for the quarter, with fleet accounting for 15% of total sales. Jeep Grand Cherokee sales were up 45% year over year, with retail sales up 47%. The Jeep Gladiator had its best third quarter ever, with its total sales up 2%, and retail sales up 3%. The Ram ProMaster van reported total sales up 26%, with its best third quarter ever for retail. The Dodge Durango had its best calendar year-to-date retail sales since 2005, and Alfa Romeo total sales were up 14% calendar year-to-date. The 6th annual Rebelle Rally began October 7th, with nearly one-third of the teams competing in a Jeep 4x4 to help them get to the finish line of the 1,400-mile race through the Nevada and California deserts. The Rebelle Rally is the first women's off-road navigation rally in the United States and is a unique and demanding event. It is based on the elements of headings, hidden checkpoints, time and distance, and using maps, compass, and road books. This year's event features more than 18 teams, with more than 100 Rebels from 5 countries and 24 states. More than a third of the field will be driving a Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Gladiator. The 3 Jeep factory teams in this year's field will be driving a Jeep Wrangler 4xe. To learn more, visit rebellerally.com. And finally, the all-new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L and its spacious, luxurious cabin, which combines handcrafted materials and modern amenities with an available Macintosh audio system, has been named one of Ward's 10 best interiors for 2021. Ward's editors stated that the interior was, quote, utterly breathtaking with a stunning mixture of rich colors and lavish materials. Vehicles were scored by Ward's editors on ergonomics, comfort, fit and finish, material quality, and aesthetics. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.